What is up, guys? Today we're going to be doing the gaming test for the Galaxy A51. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and show you these settings. So for Call of Duty, we are on actually high settings. As you can see, graphics high, frame rate is on high. Game looks really good on this AMOLED display here. Alright, so gaming on here so far has been pretty good. The punch hole does not really get in the way at all, and on top of that, this Super AMOLED display is really gorgeous. And as you can see, the frame rate, everything is relatively smooth. Graphics look great. See if I can play. It's kind of hard to see through this camera, but in the best.
We've taken the lead. Tied for the lead. Lost the lead. It's too close. Fight hard. We've taken the lead. Tied for the lead. We've taken the lead. UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by.
Oh, snap.
Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed. Reloading! 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 Hunter-killer drone ready.
What? So I'm not noticing the device getting hot at all. Really, it's not even really getting that warm. Come on. Kidding me. Alright, so we have PUBG loaded up on here, and you are able to play PUBG on high. So go to graphics, as you can see, frame rate high. You have HDR, Ultra HDR. We can go to Ultra. So we do have those graphics on high, which looks very nice. So as you can see on PUBG, the game looks really beautiful. No frame rate problems or anything, and the phone is getting a little bit warm, but it's like barely warm. It's barely something that you're gonna notice here. It's very nice. The screen is very beautiful on here. So like I said, not noticing a whole bunch of frame rate drops on here. It's actually very smooth. Getting shot at by somebody. and it looks very beautiful. Like I really love the screen on here. This Super AMOLED screen just with this punch hole, you know, slim bezels is very nice. So it is a better experience than the A20, because that's what this phone reminds me of. It's like a, you know, pretty much a souped up A20 that I have. And I had the A50 for a minute and then I sold it. But I'm waiting for the phone to get hot, and it hasn't really gotten hot. And of course we're going to do our battery drain test to see how, you know, gaming affects the battery on here. Is the battery still as good as the A50? Now it is starting to get a little warm here by the camera area, but it hasn't really gone over that temperature. It hasn't really got any hotter. Now I also tried to download Fortnite on here as well, but the device is not supported. So I know people are gonna ask, so just to go ahead and show you, you try to download it, it's gonna say device not supported because Fortnite has to require, I believe, 6 gigs. So you know, if you don't have 6 gigs, it's gonna say your device is not supported. Now this might work on the 6 gig model, so if you have the 6 gigabyte Galaxy A51, you should be able to play, I believe. So I have been gaming on this thing for a minute now, and it's just not getting hot at all. It just gets warm, so it's one of the more warmer phones that I have played with. It just stays at a really cool temp, so it's not uncomfortable to the touch. Some phones like the Pixel 4, that was a phone that got, you know, it wasn't super hot, but it did get kind of, you know, really warm. Not super hot though, but this one stays really cool, which I really love. So far gaming on here is great. There's nothing you really can't do on here. Like I said, you get the 6 gig model, you should be able to play Fortnite just fine. But for PUBG, Call of Duty, this is a great gaming phone. You have a big display, the punch hole does not get in the way, and yeah, it's just been really nice. Colors are really beautiful and accurate on here, so you know, everything you could really want for, you know, a little budget gaming phone. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.